Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. So let's get started. So I'm actually going to start off with Knuckles' left eye first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this sideways U shape. Now I'm going to continue on with this line and I'm going to make this curved line a little bit longer. So it kind of looks like a check mark that has a rounded edge. Now for the side of his eye, I'm going to do a curved line like so. Now we're going to do the bottom of his eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line like this because this will be the top of his cheek. And I'm going to connect these two lines with a straight line. Now that we have his left eye, I'm going to do like a skinny end shape for his pupil. And inside that end shape, I'm going to do a skinny oval. And just like we do any other eye, we're going to add a little circle in there for reflection. So I'm actually going to fill this part in. So now that we got his left eye, let's work on his right eye. So for his right eye, I'm going to start a line right about here. And I'm going to do a curved line that has kind of a curve at the end, like a candy cane shape. And then we're going to do a line from here, and we'll stop right about there. And we're going to connect these two lines with a straight line. Now, a little bit of his eye will be showing here, so I'm just going to draw a kind of like a curved line inside. We'll do a little pupil in there too, just kind of color a dark spot like that. So now we're going to move on to his mouth area. So his nose is going to be like a rounded triangle kind of. So it's going to be like a rounded top. And his nose are going to come to a point, and we'll connect these two lines with the curved line. Inside of his nose, he's going to have a little circle for reflection. And his nose is going to be black. So we're going to color this part in. Now we're going to do the bottom of Knuckles' mouth, but we're going to do a curved line, like a long curved line. And I'm going to stop right about here. So we're going to move on to his mouth. And I'm going to do a long curved line like this. And then I'm going to draw another line that's over the top, and it's going to come to a curve as well. And he's got these sharp teeth, and it's just like a zigzag line inside of his mouth. Now I'm going to move on to the rest of Knuckles' head. So over his right eye, I'm going to do this skinny end shape for his eyebrow. And over his left eye, I'm going to do this curved line. And I'm going to stop right about there. So we're going to move on to the rest of Knuckles' head. And Knuckles has these spikes that kind of lay down. They kind of look like hair. And they cover part of his face, like I said earlier. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw a line that starts right about here. And I want to end it right about here. And it's going to be this long curved line that will shape the top of his head. So he's kind of got this long flat head. And like Sonic has a higher one that has these spikes that come up the top. His is going to be laid down. Real quick, did you know that Knuckles is not a hedgehog? He's actually an echidna, also known as a spiny anteater or a monotrim. Pretty cool, right? Now you know. Let's get back to the video. So now we're going to move on to his spikes. Again, like I said earlier, they're going to be laying down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these long curved lines that cover part of his face. And I'm going to make a point, like a spike, and I'm going to come back up, and I'm going to stop right about there. So what's going to happen is the next spike is actually going to overlap the previous one. And they're going to come to a point, and so I'm going to come back up. I did have a little bit of an error here, but you know what? That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you can tell definitely mine's not perfect. I'm just trying my best. So now his next spike is going to be underneath the previous one. So we're going to go a long point like that. And we're going to come all the way up. Like this. So like I said earlier, the top of his head is where his very last spike is going to be. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come down. And I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter and come back up. So now that we have Knuckles' head, we're going to kind of draw the upper part of his body. Just because he does have these long spikes that lay down, it would kind of look weird just for me to leave a head just like this. So we're going to do the upper part of his body. So from right about here, I'm going to do like a curved line that comes out like this for his chest. And he's got this white collar, kind of like a necklace that goes around. And we're going to make a line that runs parallel with that to look like this. So this would be the white part, and the rest of his body is going to be red. His arm would technically be like right here. I'm just drawing a couple of lines just to show you where his arms would be. But what makes Knuckles Knuckles is his hands. So for his hands, I'm going to draw a couple of lines like this. This is going to be his arm. And for his hand, we're going to do like a wide U shape like this. I'm going to start another U, but I'm going to start it right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve it out and up. It's going to come down at a dip like this. And we're going to do a wide curve shape like this. And another curve line. So these little dips in his hand is where his knuckles are going to be. And it's going to be like these spikes, a little bit round and thick. And he's going to have another spike right here, which is going to be a rounded triangle. And we'll finish out the rest of his hand. So we're going to do this, another U shape like this. And what he's going to do, he's going to have a thumb pointing at himself. So I'm going to do this wavy line like this, and I'm going to curve it at the end, which will be the tip of his thumb. And we're going to finish out this line, and it's going to stop right at his hand. Now to finish out his glove, I'm going to do this backwards C shape. So right now we have this empty space right here. You know what, let's add another spike. So we're going to just draw a curved line in like this. So right now we have an outline of Knuckles. So I'm actually going to use this time to color him in. So I'm going to speed this part up. I'll be using marker on top of marker paper. Probably along with some color pencils, but feel free to use whatever tools you guys have that you like to color with. And we'll be right back. One important thing is make sure you take your time, because you really took your time to make this drawing. So take your time when you're coloring, because coloring could really make a drawing really pop. So I'll be right back. And this is my Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. As you can see, taking your time and coloring your drawing could really make your drawing a piece of art. So, if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you like and subscribe for the next one, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.